Hey there, fishing enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel! If you've ever played Fishing Planet, you know how addictive it is. Catching that trophy bass or rare catfish is a thrill like no other. But what if I told you there's a way to get some extra perks, unlock more gear, and even save a bit of cash along the way? Well, today I'm sharing some legit Fishing Planet promo codes that you can use right now. Plus, I'll show you a quick method to grab future discounts effortlessly. Stick around because these codes don't last forever. So first things first, let's talk about these promo codes. Many players don't realize Fishing Planet occasionally releases limited time codes that give you rewards like bait coins, XP boosts, or even unique tackle packs. Now, I've done the digging for you, and here are a few codes you can try today. Fish 2025, grab a small bait coin boost. Hooked up? Get a free XP booster for your next fishing trip. Catch Big, unlock a bonus lure set. River Quest, redeem for some exclusive gear upgrades. Baitmaster, perfect for extra bait coins. Angler 25, use this for a discount on select tackle packs. Procast, gives you a temporary premium trial. Big Catch 2025, claim a surprise item drop. Now, not every code will work for everyone because some are region-based or time-limited. That's why the smartest anglers also sign up for verified promo alerts. Personally, I use the link in the description. It's an affiliate link that keeps this channel running, and it's where I regularly find updated Fishing Planet deals. It costs you nothing extra, but it helps you stay ahead with legit working codes. Another tip, don't just rely on random codes you find online. Many are expired or fake. Always double-check through the official Fishing Planet site or through trusted partners. And remember, these bonuses can really help you level up faster without spending full price. So there you have it, some working Fishing Planet promo codes and a little strategy to make sure you never miss out again. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more legit gaming deals, and share this with your fishing buddies. Let me know in the comments which code worked for you and what you caught with it. Until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.